Peace, love, and light, family. This is SEK the Homesteader bringing you a video of my prep pantry haul. Now, you guys, I know we are all doing pet pantry hauls. So, I've actually been doing this for the last probably 6 months. And it has become very overwhelming. So, that's probably why I haven't been doing no videos on it. But I'm about to get real organized. This is going to be my long-term pantry, and I've been doing mini hauls like every 2 weeks. So I just wanted to bring you guys a haul that I did at Sam's yesterday, and to encourage you guys that you must get out there and stack up on your pantry goods, your non-perishable food. So yesterday we hit Sam's, and I actually picked up 2 50-pound bags of rice, also 2 50-pound bags of sugar, and 3 packs of pinto beans. These are actually 12 pounds, as y'all can see. I did 2 cases of black-eyed peas, which I love black-eyed peas, and I can eat those by itself. A box of Velveeta cheese. I actually started stacking up on brown sugar and also raw sugar, and I did 12 bottles of Prego. This was a pretty good deal. These was actually $2 each. Usually you have 2 of these together. Now they're putting them 3. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I got 2 boxes of Angel here, and a 6-pack of Rotini color pasta, Barilla pasta box, which have 6, the penne. This one has elbows, spaghetti, and penne. This one has penne. I got a big thing of Parmesan cheese. Also, I said, let me start stacking up on my cooking oil. I got some big cans of green beans, corn, and some yams back there, 2 of those. And I don't know about you guys, but it's been a shortage with pink salmon. I've been going in many stores and having a hard time with the pink salmon. They have been very hard to find. And I remember back in the day, we used to be able to get these cans for $1.09. Now these cans is almost $4. Okay, so I also got I got 8 cases of water, and I think this is a 40-pack. I got 8 cases of those yesterday, so I felt like this was a pretty good haul. I am definitely focusing on lots of canned goods. I have one room that is just stacked with stuff right now, and I really have to get it organized. But right now it is overwhelming. Y'all know once you start doing these hauls or you start doing couponing, you just bring stuff in and just throw it wherever it can fit. But I'm definitely going to get it organized, and I will definitely bring you guys more footage on how I am organizing my long-term prep pantry. I will definitely do that for you guys, but I wanted to encourage you guys to get out there and stack up on as much as you can, because you know, as we go into the stores, a lot of us are seeing this food shortage. I was looking for something and couldn't find that. It was something else, and I was like, wow, you know. So we all are going in the stores and we seeing empty shelves. So I did do a haul last week at Walmart, and I just threw that stuff upstairs. But this is what I did yesterday. So I said, well, I was so tired, I haven't had a chance to just move it out of the kitchen just yet. So I said, let me do a quick video for you guys to encourage you guys to get out there and stock up as much as you can, so that we can continue to be prepared for the hard times that everyone is facing right now. So while the pastas is on sale, make sure you get those. While the canned goods is on sale, get those. But definitely stack up on your rice, your beans, your sugars, and also your flours. I have been stacking up on flours. I have a couple of 50-pound bags of flour, but I need to do more of a variety of flour because I've just been picking up just one kind. So I'm going to focus on white, self-rise, wheat, you know, things of that nature, so that I have a variety of different flours, because I believe we're going to be doing a lot of baking as, you know, the years, especially this year. I'm sure a lot of us is going to be at home cooking. We're getting ready to go into fall, winter. We become couch potatoes. We're in the kitchen more often. Y'all know how that go. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. And again, this is my Sam's haul. And yeah, you guys, so this is Essie the Homesteader, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and light, family. Be safe, and thank you for watching.